Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing household appliances straightforward and stress-free. Today, we're diving into the topic of your Rinnai wall heater displaying error code 99, a common issue that can pop up in 2025 models and leave you in the cold. Don't worry, I'll guide you through a step-by-step fix that could have your heater running smoothly in no time. First off, let's quickly understand what error code 99 means. It typically signals a problem with the ignition system, possibly due to gas supply issues, a faulty sensor, or even simple power glitches. Safety is our top priority, so before you start, make sure to turn off the heater, unplug it from the power source, and if it's gas-powered, ensure there's no gas leak by checking for any unusual smells. Step 1. Reset the unit. Sometimes, a simple reset does the trick. Turn off the heater at the main switch, wait for about 5 minutes, and then turn it back on. If the error persists, move to Step 2, check your power supply. Ensure the outlet is working by plugging in another device, and inspect the heater's power cord for any damage. Next, examine the gas supply. Make sure the gas valve is fully open and that there are no blockages in the gas line. If you're comfortable, gently clean the burner and igniter with a soft brush to remove any dust or debris, but avoid using water or chemicals. Now, for Step 4, test the thermostat and sensors. A malfunctioning thermostat could be the culprit, so verify it's set correctly and not faulty. You might need a multimeter for this. Set it to check continuity and probe the sensor connections. If everything seems fine but the error won't clear, it could be a more complex issue like a defective control board. In that case, it's time to call a certified technician to avoid any risks. Remember, always refer to your heater's manual for model-specific advice. By following these steps, you'll not only fix error code 99 but also extend your heater's lifespan. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay warm and safe out there. Thanks for watching.